Hello students, today let us discuss about the organometallic compounds, their structure, preparation and their chemical reactions in the synthesis of organic compounds. What is organometallic compound? Let me discuss some of the basic principles. Organometallic compounds, when a carbon is bonded with metals, then simply the compounds are said to be organometallic compounds. Their structure, their formula can be represented as R, M. Here R is simply the organic part and M is simply metals with halide. What are the metals? Metals for your syllabus, it is zinc, lithium and magnesium. And halides, you know, that is chloro, bromo, etc. So we can represent this R, M into, if we take this magnesium as an example, then we can write RMgX. So let us discuss about the RMgX. Is the electronegativity value of carbon, which is very different with the metal. The carbon N, this R in Rm, the carbon N, the organic portion, the carbon N becoming negatively charged and this metallic N carries the positive charge. That is in RMgX, MgX carries positively charged and Rn carries negative charge. Thus, these organometallic compounds are very good source of carbon ions. They act as a nucleophile, also as a base. Their reactivity, it depends on the nature of the metals. For example, the ionic character of the C-M, that is R-M, is in the order of C, K, C, Na, C, Li, C, magnesium. Now, how they are prepared? Grignard reagents are prepared by the action of alkyl halides with magnesium turnings in ether solvent. For example, when alkyl halide reacts with magnesium turnings in ether solvent, in inert atmosphere, we get RMgX. Now, their chemical properties. I already told you that Grignard reagent, this is very important and very interesting. It is unlike to other organic compounds like Rx. Here in the ionization, R carries positive charge and this X part carries negative charge. But in organometallic compounds, RMgX, this magnesium halide part is negatively charged and positively charged and this is negatively charged. Therefore, it behaves as a base or as a nucleophile. Grignard reagent reacts with carbonyl compounds. The most important reaction is with the carbonyl compounds. It reacts with carbonyl compounds means C double bond O containing, like aldehydes, ketones, amides, esters, anhydrides, and unsaturated compounds. So let us first take up the reaction of Grignard reagent with carbonyl groups. Grignard reagent react with the first member of the aldehyde, that is formaldehyde. It gives primary alcohol. But when it reacts with the acetaldehyde, which has alpha carbon, and it gives secondary alcohol. But when it reacts to ketone, it gives tertiary alcohol. So it gives three different types of alcohol. Let us write the action of Grignard reagent with formaldehyde. The formula is HCHO. This is formaldehyde. So we know that this carbon N is slightly positive charge and this is negatively charged. We can write this as the positive part and this as the negative part. Now this carbon O MgX will come here. This is the hydrogen and this is the R, C double bond O, and we can write this hydrogen here and R here. This on hydrolysis, in the presence of acid, simply we can write H3O plus. It will give RCHOH, that is primary alcohol. This is the preparation of primary alcohol. Next, when Grignard reagent, this Grignard reagent, when it reacts to the second member, say acetaldehyde, let us take acetaldehyde having formula CH3CHO. The reaction will be here, this is the negative part, this is the positive part. We can divide like this. So this MgX will come to the oxygen and R will come to the carbon. Simply CH3CO MgX, here this R will come and this is the hydrogen. The same process after hydrolysis, CH3 C R OH, that is secondary alcohol. This is the preparation of secondary alcohol. The third reaction, the next reaction of Grignard reagent with a carbonyl compound for the preparation of tertiary alcohol, that is a ketone. The first member of the ketone is, say, acetone, CH3. Here in acetone also, the carbon N carries slightly positive charge, this oxygen N carries slightly negative charge on ionization, and this magnesium RMgX, then this O carries OMgX, this is CH3 and R. On acid hydrolysis, it will give a tertiary alcohol. Thus, starting from Grignard reagents, we can prepare primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. Next is these Grignard reagents. They are very important in the synthesis of organic compounds. So, it can react to carbon dioxide with compound containing amides, acetyl chlorides containing acetyl group. So first with carbon dioxide, RMgX reacts with carbon dioxide. We can write carbon dioxide like this. This is also plus delta, minus delta. This is plus delta, minus delta. So carbon O, Mg, X, double bond O, R will come like this, and on acid hydrolysis it will give R, C double bond O, OH acids. Thus, starting from carbon dioxide, Grignard reagent can prepare acids. Next, Grignard reagents, they can react with acetyl groups giving ketones. The next is Grignard reagent, RMgX reacts with acetyl group, RCOCl acetyl group giving products. The first step of the reaction is simply this oxygen N carries negative charge, carbon N carries positive charge. Here this is the positive part and this is the negative part. MgX will go like this, RCO MgX Cl and RDS on hydrolysis, same acid hydrolysis after 2 steps, it gives a ketone. So for the preparation of ketone, we can use Grignard reagents. Next is the reaction of Grignard reagent with alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes giving rise to 1,2 adducts and 1,4 adducts. This Grignard reagent RMgX can add to alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes giving products C6H5, C-ice double bond, C-ice, C-O-Mg, X, ice and C-ice3. On hydrolysis, C6H5, C-ice double bond, C-ice, C-O-ice, C-ice3, ice, that is 1,2 adduct. Next, Grignard reagent, they can attack to the amides. We can represent amides RDS, C double bond O and ice2, and Grignard reagent RMgX. So R is the negative part, this is the positive part. Here this is the negative one and this is the positive one. RDS COMgX and N ice2 and R. This on hydrolysis in the presence of mineral acid, it gives RC double bond O. ketone. Thus, there are so many reaction products starting from Grignard reagents. It can form higher alkanes by using RX, that is alkyl halides. Alkyl halides can also react with Grignard reagent to form higher homologue. For example, RMGX can react with RDS-X. They can form higher alkanes. So for today, we can conclude here. Next, we can discuss other reactions of Grignard reagents.